हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लीगल डीकोड। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऑन कंपैरेटिव पब्लिक लॉ एंड सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नेंस। बिफोर आई स्टार्ट द वीडियो, आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट कंपैरेटिव पब्लिक लॉ एंड सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नेंस के ऊपर पेड नोट्स अवेलेबल है। सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन मेल अस। आवर मेल आई डी इज़ legaldecode@gmail.com. So let's start today's video. The first question is, comparative law is the systematic application of comparative technique या discipline या both or none of the above. You can pause the video and give your answer. Okay, the right answer is option C. Comparative law is a systematic application of comparative technique and also discipline. Next question. Comparative law involves what? Common law, civil law, or socialist law, or all of the above? Take your time and give your answer. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Comparative law involves common law as well as civil law and socialist law. Next question. Which among the following countries has hybrid system? इनमें से कौन सी कंट्री में you can see hybrid system? Option A India, option B USA, option C France, option D South Africa. So the correct answer is option C France. France is the correct option. Hybrid system France में है because in France you can see semi-presidential system of government. Okay. Moving on. In parliamentary form of government, cabinet is responsible to the legislature or the nominal executive or the judiciary or none of the above. You can take your time and give your answer. So the correct answer is option A, the legislature. Parliamentary form of government में cabinet is responsible to the legislature. Next question. Which among the following is or are the methods of comparative law? Analytical, structural, functional, or all of the above? You can take your time and give your answer. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. So, comparative law actually includes all the methods: analytical, structural, functional, all of the above. Next question. Which of the following characteristics is not related to parliamentary government? Resolution of lower house, collective liability, leadership of the prime minister, या single executive? Pause the video and give your answer. So the answer is option D, single executive. Single executive is not related to parliamentary form of government. Next question. Which of the following is not the merit of the presidential system? Options are permanent government, confirmation in policies, limited representation, or government expert. You can pause the video, take your time, and give your answer. Okay, so the correct answer is limited representation. Option C. Limited representation is not the merit of presidential system of government. Next question. Which of the following characteristics is not related to federal government? Options are written constitution, flexible constitution, supremacy of constitution, or independent judiciary. Take your time. So the correct answer is option B, flexible constitution. Flexible constitution is not related to federal government. Okay. Next question. In which of the following country parliamentary form of government does not exist? Options are England, USA, India, or Canada. England, USA, India, or Canada. पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट कौन सी देश में नहीं है? The correct answer is USA. I think we all know that USA में प्रेसिडेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट है, पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट नहीं है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे दो स्टेटमेंट है and you have to tell me which one is correct. So the first statement is government in which the constitution concentrates all powers in single central government is called unitary government. And the second statement is unitary form of government exists in UK, France and Italy. तो बताइए which statement is correct? Statement 1 or statement 2 या both the statements are correct or none of the above. Take your time and give your answer. So the correct answer is option C. Both the statements, statement 1 and also statement 2, both the statements are correct. So we have come to the end of our video. आप हमें follow कर सकते हो in our social media handles. And the links are in the description box. So if you like the video, kindly like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.